You know what? It's Friday afternoon. Let's make some pizza. Not any kind of pizza. Let's make everything. Let's make it. The dough doesn't need much. All you need is sugar, flour, olive oil, yeast, water, and salt. In a clean bowl, add your yeast, your sugar, and your water. Mix it up real good with your hands. It could feel a little nasty. For me, I just try not to use my imagination during this step. Add 3 cups of flour, your salt, and your olive oil. But if you didn't like that last step where you were mixing that water up, you're definitely gonna like this. This is really sticky, and yeah, so mix it up real good. And then knead the dough for about 10 minutes. Lightly oil up a bowl, drop your dough in there, cover it, and let it sit for about an hour. Now when you come back, the dough should have doubled in size. If you're stressed out, go ahead and punch that air out and stick a little TLC on this. Lightly flour your countertop and take your problems out on this dough. Then once you finish, cut that joker in half, wrap one of them up, and use one if you need to. But that's it. You got the dough.